Where you been, Janice? You were supposed to be in court yesterday.
No. Me first, okay? My problem first.
This is your problem, Janice. The judge has issued a warrant for your arrest.
No. I talk first, then you talk, okay? I mean, who's the one who's in trouble here? Is it you?
No.
Me? No.
Okay, fine. Go ahead.
Okay. I need help with a residential issue. This is strictly a matter of residential authority. Okay, there's a security guard in my building who keeps on kicking me out.
What building is that?
346 Beverly. That's my new address.
Is that a shelter?
I believe if it was a shelter, I would have called it a shelter and not a building, which it is, an apartment building.
Okay, is this apartment building the same one you were living in before?
No! The judge told me I couldn't go back there, so I don't go back there anymore.
So you've got an apartment in this building?
No, it is my home. I have a home there.
Janice, are you living in the parking garage?
No, it is my home, okay? It doesn't matter where it is,
Yes,
all right?
it does. Janice, you can't live in a parking garage. Judge Malone told
It's
you
my
that.
home, okay? And I need to feel safe in my home. And I can't feel safe in my home if a man keeps on removing all of my belongings, okay? I mean, you know what? All my stuff is out on the grass. Now what are you going to do about it?
Well, we can go and see the mental health worker.
So that's your solution. Thought we could do better than that. Okay, I'm leaving now.
No, Janice, we need to talk about your missed court appearance.
Oh, you back up a bit now, okay?
Okay.
There's no need to be so close.
Okay,
Back up a
Janet.
bit. Now you can talk.
The judge had to issue a bench warrant for your arrest.
Why?
Because you missed an appearance on your last two charges.
And they were.
Setting a fire in that shelter and being unlawfully on the premises in that other parking garage.
Well, I like this place better.
Okay, you go to court with me, and then we can get that warrant rescinded, and then I can help you with your present problem.
Is that the deal you're trying to make with me?
Yes.
Okay, well, I don't want to do that, okay? I want to go to normal court. I don't want to go to mental court. I don't have to go to mental health. I'm not going to do that.
You go to normal court, and they can ask for jail time.
Well, I'd be happy to go to jail. I mean, if you want me to go to jail, I'll go to jail. If I don't have a home, what does it matter? He told me to come here. Are you going to help me?
We'll do our best, Ms.
This is Janice Pells, Your Honor. You issued a discretionary warrant for her yesterday.
Oh, yes. Thanks for showing up, Miss Pells. We can rescind the warrant.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Well, are you going to help me or not?
I just did.
What is he talking about? Tell him to make sense. I just did. What does that mean?
I rescinded the warrant. Is there something else? Do you want to talk to one of our social workers?
Why would I want to do that? I'm here for my apartment.
Yes, Your Honor. It seems Ms. Pells has been living in another parking garage and has been evicted.
Yes, they threw me out. Okay, they have no respect for my stuff. Some of it was on the grass, some of it was in the garbage. I want to press charges strictly on how they treated my belongings.
Before we do that, we have your previous charges to deal with.
Okay, so you want me to go to jail?
No, we're trying to prevent you from going to jail. If you agree to work with the social worker, we can work on having your charges withdrawn.
What charges?
Well, the original charge was arson. Do you remember that?
Yeah, I remember. Why shouldn't I remember? Okay, they kicked me out of the shelter because they said I set a fire, and I can't go back in there.
And regarding that matter, you made an agreement with me when I let you out of jail. Do you remember what that was?
Give me a hint.
You were supposed to come here every week.
Oh, yeah, that's right. But you know what? I had housing issues to resolve. Okay, I can't live in the shelter because I have been wrongly accused of setting fires. And I cannot live in the parking garage. Okay, so what am I supposed to do? I mean, I'm waiting. I am waiting for a solution here, okay? You're supposed to be the smart one, so what am I supposed to do?
Mr. Page?
She thinks parking garages make good living spaces, Your Honor.
She prefers them to freezing to death in the street.
Have you been taking your medication, Miss Pells?
Okay. First things first, okay? Residential issue. Cross off parking garage. Cross off shelter. So what then? Oh, a park. Maybe under a bridge. Or maybe a subway tunnel. Okay, that's not so easy, is it? So then I guess I gotta go to jail.
Not necessarily, Miss Pells.
Sure, it beats freezing to death in the fucking street.
It's all right.
It's all right.
I waited and I waited and waited and I waited. And nobody had any ideas. Okay, now you can arrest me. Please, arrest me, okay? But don't just do it quick. Do it quick, and don't get too close. Stand at arm's length because I will get very, very upset. Okay? Now, go ahead. You can arrest me. Because I assaulted him and I want to go to a nice, warm jail cell.
Miss Pells?
No, please. Give me a break here, for Christ's sake.
You're not going to jail, Miss Pells. I'm ordering a 30-day assessment. We're sending you to a hospital for a while.
Okay, that'll do. Just keep your distance.
Please, officers, do as she says.
Back off. Just back off, okay?
Okay, all right.
Don't touch me.
Try and keep calm, Miss Pells.
Don't. It's okay. It's okay. Great, just get away. I don't like orange.